Yeah.
You know, unless it's Citi Field and the Mets make the playoffs, you know, then, you know. That's,
Yeah,
that
that doesn't seem like it's ever going to happen again.
You know what? I did everything I could.
What did you do to help the Mets?
I took free seats and sat there, and I'd like to think that for a while I was to the Mets what Spike Lee was to the Yankees. You know, that guy that's just out of the shot. You know, every now and again. But they would cut to you.
I'm trying to imagine you on the subway. I would think you would get
Easiest thing in the world.
mobbed.
No. First of all, everybody looks at their phone now. No one looks up. And I know this because I was on the subway and I was chatting with Sabrina Carpenter, and no, I'm joking. But if you wear a head-shaped altering hat, no one says boo to you.
Head-shaped altering.
It's got to be the right kind of hat because, you know, it can't be like a deer stalker or, you know, it can't be like something with plumes.
Yeah, right.
If it's an odd hat, they will look at you and be, hey, what? Hey, Tom Hanks is dressed as Robin Hood. Look at this. You can't do that.